Looking at a Acra lathe. This is actually a gap bed lathe, as you can see here. This machine is in excellent condition. It comes with a steady rest and a follow rest, a square tool post block, a drill chuck, base plate, a chuck, 3-jaw chuck, and also a tailstock chuck. We did not get a chuck key with this machine that I seen. We may have one, I'm not sure. As you can see, this thing gets a nice range of threading, speeds and feeds. Does have a nice size hole, like a large, it's like around a 1 3/4 inch hole through spindle. Could use a little cleaning up. We didn't clean it up yet, but overall the ways are in excellent condition. I'm going to go ahead and run this a little bit for you, just to show you that it runs nice. So this is actually, you turn the motor on, and then you have a clutch feed, or a clutch to turn the machine on. Really all that activates is the switch. I'm going to run the cross right now, and then it also has the cross control. And those obviously are all adjustable. You can do whatever you want. I just wanted to kind of show you what all it does. Obviously you have your thread dial right there. It's a nice long lathe. It will make somebody a nice hobby lathe. This is a 110. It runs off a 110. Again, thank you for your business and have a blessed day.